View the lake from your patio. This beautiful immaculate 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath is the popular Victoria open/split floor plan with double garage. This beautiful home is move-in ready and located in the highly desired neighborhood of Parish Lakes subdivision. This home is located on a large corner lot with a gorgeous lake right behind the home. You can sit out on the patio and view the beautiful geese and ducks as they swim by. Home is located in the cul-de-sac, so it is very quiet and peaceful with little traffic. This beautiful home is immaculate with a beautiful wood-burning fireplace, gorgeous flooring, white cabinets and beautiful granite. The large master suite bathroom features double vanities, walk-in shower and garden tub. The second bath also features double vanities and shower tub combo. Right off the living area is your conveniently located half bath. Carpet in all bedrooms, like new. Walk-in closets in each bedroom. All stainless steel appliances. Built to the gold fortification standards, which means big savings on insurance. This home is conveniently located just minutes from the beach, Foley Beach Expressway, OA, Tanger Outlet, shopping centers, grocery stores, medical offices and hospital. If you are looking for a beautiful move-in ready home in a desired subdivision, this is the one. Dining room furniture is negotiable. Washer/dryer does convey. Seller will provide a 1-year home warranty. Contact me to schedule your showing today.